The junior high completers of grade 10, Manuel Rojas.
We would like to invite SCEA BOD Mr. Ron come up to the stage to award the certificate of honors. We'd also like to invite the grade 10 President, Mr. Albert Santos. Come up to the stage to award the certificate of honors.
John Henry G. Ariel with honors. Francis Amir Burgos with honors. Andre Luis V. Junicio, FEU Tamquest, men's table tennis third placer with high honors. Chandru B. Dunlao, FEU Tamquest, men's table tennis third placer with honors. Zaid Kasan A. Gatuna with honors. Terence Jacob Interior with honors. Julio Ezequiel Estedroma with honors. Dexter L. Mandroba with honors. Ken Michael M. Mendoza with honors. Jamir Cyrus S. Olivera with high honors. Elijah Seb R. Pabion with honors. Giro Kyle A. Sagabal with honors. John Michael D. Olvido with honors. Bernard James M. Valdea Villa, District Schools Press Conference, pagwawasto at pag-uulo ng balita, 10th placer, Sentex Batch 2025 Scholar, and with high honors. Ray Vincent G. Villarojo with honors. Andre Uno P. Viral with honors. Joaquin O. Yago with honors. Shemaya Rian E. Andia, District Schools Press Conference, pagwawasto at pag-uulo ng balita, 5th placer. Division Schools Press Conference, pagwawasto at pag-uulo ng balita, 6th placer. And with high honors. Precious Denise M. Artates, District Schools Press Conference, Mobile Journalism, 4th placer, with honors. Jenna Brianna A. Valdin, with honors. Martina Samantha C. Bardaso with honors. Luis Aurora S. Pierre with honors. Naisa Alexera C. Bongo with honors. Jen Cyril and Bonita with high honors. Faye Nadine E. De La Cruz with honors. Althea Ashley G. De Grasa with honors. Nikaila Ann T. Jolido with high honors. Angelica M. Green, FEU Southwest Group Debate First Placer with high honors. Chrysaline V. Herrera with honors. Sailin Chloe M. Jose with honors. Carla A. Macarine with honors. Marian Chanel Nicole C. Moreno with high honors. Shamir Irene S. Leones with high honors. Princess Jasmine Noboy with high honors. Arian Denise A. Renton with high honors. Leon Charm M. San Jose with honors. Joel F. Tabu, District Schools Press Conference, pagsulat ng Katalain, 4th placer. Feature page, 2nd place in Regional Schools Press Conference 2024 and with high honors. Lorraine L. Tagapulo with honors. Damian Tiffany M. Tapia with honors. Kirsten Joy Ann C. Tati with honors. Anna Lorraine H. Torella with honors. Karil Ann A. Torres with honors. Mary Claire B. Umali with honors.
Ayun na. Ayun na. Ayun na. Ayun na.
And Veronica Isabel S. Villanueva with honors.
Talaga no. Grabe, alaman no. Grabe. Grabe oh. Pre, congrats ah.
Congratulations.